Hello everyone and welcome to another craft video. My name is Amy and today we are going to be making watercolor stamps. Now, watercolor stamping is really just a technique that can be used to create a watercolor effect for when you don't actually have watercolors. For this project, you're going to need a pair of scissors, a plastic sandwich bag, a spray bottle with water in it, washable markers, cardstock, and paper towels. You are also going to want to find a washable surface to work on since we're going to be using water in this project. So once you've found your surface, get your cardstock and place it on that surface. Then you'll take your plastic sandwich bag and cut it in half so that you have two plastic sheets. Once that's done, take one of your plastic sheets and lay it over your cardstock. Then select different colored markers to draw your picture. I'm going to be drawing a pumpkin, so I will select two different colors of orange and a brown. Then draw your picture right onto the plastic sheet. Keep in mind that the simpler your drawing is, the better this is going to turn out. Once your drawing is complete, remove your plastic sheet from your paper and put it off to the side for just a second. Then take a spray bottle and generously dampen your paper. Be sure to use your paper towel afterwards to dab away any excess water droplets. Then take your plastic sheet and place it ink side facing down onto your piece of paper. Gently rub it with your fingers to spread the ink around and transfer it from the plastic sheet onto your paper. And when you're done, you should have this beautiful watercolored pumpkin. You can also use this technique to color in drawings. Or you could use this technique to color in backgrounds of images. You can also use this technique to finish off a drawing. Or if you prefer, you could always just create abstract art. I really hope this coloring technique has inspired some of you to create your own projects. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.